welcome to my channel. Today we have a very unorthodox and very special rifle from Turkey. This is a bolt action rifle, production of 1935-36. Friend, it's a very unique rifle which can shoot two different caliber at a time. It can shoot 303 British cartridge, as well as it can shoot 8x57 8mm Mauser cartridge rifle. Gentlemen, it is a very historical rifle indeed in the time, and you can see it is a hybrid rifle. From the buttstock to the receiver, it is a very carbon copy of the Enfield Mark III British. You can see, and from the receiver till the last front post, it is just like a 88 Gewehr German Mauser. You can see the cleaning rod is pretty similar to the Mauser Gewehr 88 or Car 98K. Even the bands, the sling hooks, and you can see even the trigger guard is pretty resemble. You can see the British crown and the stem of the British Mark III rifle. As you can see, friends, it has a marking of Turkish, as has a marker of TCA, means the Turkish Cumhuriyeti, means the Turkish Republic, as well as it has the TSK mark, Turk Silah Kuvvetleri, means Turkish weaponry industry has produced this unique and iconic rifle in 1935-1936. Its serial number is 151, is a Turkish serial number. You can see it has a mag well, but the mag has disappeared from us in the warehouse. Unfortunately, you can see the buttstock. The buttstock has that coin type of trademark on it. You can see the butt plate is pretty similar to the Mark III Enfield British. Its range is, maximum range is 2000 meters. You can see on the rear leaf. Its effective range is 800 to 900 meters. It's a pretty unique rifle. As you can see, its condition. Friends, its price in our local market here in Pakistan is 20,000 to 25,000. It's a pretty rare rifle, very limited stock indeed. Its nomenclature is unrecognized. Its name is given, some people call it Enfauser, some people call it Mauser, and somewhere in the rest of the world it's called Enfield hybrid rifle. Because of its unique quality that can shoot 8mm Mauser cartridge as well as 303 British, it is a special rifle indeed, and we will have a shooting video on it as well at the end of the day. It's a bolt action rifle, friends, you can see, and it can shoot 8mm cartridge as well, as you can see in the barrel fits very well. And you can see it can shoot 303 British as well. It fits in the barrel very well. It's set, and you will see later on in the end of the video we will shoot both the cartridges with the single rifle. Friends, thanks for watching the video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Please, friends, let's shoot both the cartridge with this rifle. See how it shoots. Okay, let's shoot with the 8mm Mauser 18x57 cartridge with this Turkish hybrid Enfauser Mauser. Let's see how it shoots. As it hit the target successfully with 8mm Mauser cartridge. It works so fantastically. This rifle with the 303 British cartridge and see how it shoots. As you can see friend, it shoots pretty well with 303. And friend, as you see, it shoots pretty well with 303 as well as 8mm Mauser cartridge. Hope you have enjoyed the video.